This video will explain how to create your Offspring chart for your character. You're going to use this chart to help you create a full color drawing of your Offspring character. You want to make sure that you use the information that you just gathered from the Punnett squares and fill it into the chart. The last video explained how you determine what genotypes from the Punnett squares will lead to your character. You will need to fill in the Offspring chart, giving your Offspring character a name, and then filling in, first of all of the genotypes from the Punnett squares that you just did into the box. So the first thing you're going to want to fill in is all the genotypes. Using those genotypes, you will then want to fill in the phenotypes for your characters. And if you need to, refer back to reference table 1 for what the different phenotypes will be based off the genotypes that you fill in for your Offspring character chart. Once you have identified the phenotypes for your characters, then you are going to create a full color drawing of your character. Now you'll notice that this sheet has a lot of white space. If you are doing the hard copy version of the packet, then you can use this space to draw your character and color it in. If you are using the digital copy, you are going to want to get a separate sheet of paper and do a full color drawing of your character on that piece of paper. One thing you are going to want to remember, as you can see right here, you want to have, again, not just the characters' names, but also list the parent names. Okay? So on your sheet, you could write parents are, and then the two parent characters' names. Okay? So that's going to be how you complete the Offspring chart, and then you will draw your character.